enter, we have this whole mirror, and I only have this kapda that I'm wearing, and I've bought nothing else. Then you have the bath area here, everything provided. You have another good mirror and me in it. Yes. And then I have this good bed to me where I'm gonna sleep like hell. Another mirror. बट मिरर में सॉरी मिरर में देख के मेकअप करने के लिए मैंने मेकअप का सामान तक नहीं लाया. मतलब आई हैव बॉट लिटरली नथिंग. आई ओनली हैव वन बोरोलिन इन माई बैग, वन लिप बाम इन माई बैग, दैट्स इट. Basta. Then I guess I have some tea coffee things here. Let me see the view. मैंने खुद ने भी नहीं चेक किया व्यू. So let's see कुछ व्यू है भी कि नहीं. Oh, there is no view. It's a building. Maybe they can see me like I can see them. So we keep it closed. Okay. Ta-da. Now I got to sleep. I'm really tired. I'll go quickly have breakfast and then let's see. I want to sleep and I also want to go around. It's not that I don't want to go around. There is this trip something that we can do, and that will take 4 hours. But I don't think so I can do that. I am thinking कि मैं आसपास there is this one market which is the famous market. I want to visit that. It's just 10 minutes from here where I'm staying. So maybe मैं वहाँ जाके आऊँ या कुछ तो करूँ, बट करूँ. बट सो के उठ के मेरे को नहीं लगता मैं कुछ करूँगी. That's a different story. I was supposed to be at home, not in Doha, but I'm happy. It's okay. Life. Okay, so it is around 2:30, 40, 50 p.m. here, and I'll be leaving this place at 5ish to go to the airport. यार मैं सो के काम खराब कर दिया. मुझे नींद खत्म नहीं हो रही. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am so sleepy. Oh fuck. And I have nothing. I'm still wearing the same clothes. I took bath, but I'm still wearing the same clothes. And the only 2 things that I have with me to get ready is Borolin, tada, and a tint. It's not even a lip balm, it's a lip tint that I have. And इससे क्या ready होना है God knows. Of I don't know, I'm not even able to go for food. I don't feel like going for lunch. Even my stomach is hurting. Like, maybe I had so many different food in last 20 hours. Maybe that's the reason. Or maybe my stomach has already started giving answer to the spicy food. Oh my God, I'm so sleepy. मुझे घूमने जाना था. I mean, I still have 2 hours and the places are just nearby. But I'm not getting that energy to get up and just go. Like, just leave. Maybe the energy is because of the clothes. I don't have good clothes. I didn't bring anything. Overacting. Okay. But yeah, to be very honest, I don't have anything, any dress, any clothes. I'm like, how can I do this? Oh, but I still look pretty with just Borolin. Nice. It's just that I'm happy that I'm going home. But why? Why this struggle? I don't understand. Why? By this time I should have been at my place, at my home, eating Indian food, sleeping on my own bed for like the longest period of time possible. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि घर जाके मुझे नींद नहीं आने वाली. Oh, God knows. It's very mixed kind of a feeling. It's not mixed. Now it is. While leaving Florence, it was a very mixed feeling. Like I was having this feeling. I don't know how to explain the feeling that I had while coming from Florence. When I boarded the flight, all that went off. There was some anxiousness that went off, and I was happy. Uh, over, over excited. When I landed at Doha, I was like in a mad enjoyment mood for next 2 hours. And then when they told me that, oh, maybe you have to wait for 1 more hour, and I was like, oh, not possible, please don't kill me. जा रही हूँ मैं. And then finally when I came to the hotel, I got my room, I ate the breakfast, and then I went to bath, and then I slept, which was really good. Oh my god, sleeping part was really good. I slept really well. Mama. Sleepy me. But everything in this room is really comfortable. Bed, super comfortable. I didn't sit there. I feel like sitting there, but even if I sit there, I'll sleep. So I'm not sitting there. Honestly, maybe I should go for lunch. Maybe the lunch is closed. Let's see. Okay, so there I have 56 different bowls, salads, sweets. यहाँ पे तुम obviously मत मारोगे, but look at my plate. I got a piece of chicken. I got the pulao nuts, but because I'm not able to eat, I got butter. So I'm adding the butter to the rice and eating. How smart I am. How smart I am. गाइस मेरे शक्ल में मत जाना, मुझे नींद आई है और मेरे पता नहीं क्या मूड हो रहा है. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत 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 ज़्यादा गर्मी है यार. ये तो मे बी आई नॉट गो ऑल द वे. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं जा पाऊँगी. इट्स वेरी हॉट, वेरी 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 हॉट. लेट्स सी. मुझे नहीं लगता यहाँ पे लोग चलते भी हैं, क्योंकि ये गर्मी में अगर कोई इंसान चले तो वो इंसान ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ओके, ये कोई इंडियन पाकिस्तानी बांग्लादेशी लग रहा है. दिस लुक्स it's like some business square, nothing else. Okay, there is a change in plan. I'm not thinking of going any further from here because if I get lost मैं और डिलेज हैंडल नहीं कर सकती, इसीलिए. और मैंने अपनी नींद को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है, सो मे बी आई शुड स्टे बैक. बट आई विल मे बी चेक दिस प्लेस आउट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. न्यू अपडेट. बाहर में जाके आई और इतनी गर्मी मम्मी. ये तो मुझे यूरोप से ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही है, बट ये मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ. यूरोप से ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं थी, मतलब गर्मी हिट कर रही थी, बट बहुत गर्मी है. मतलब आई हेट दिस गर्मी. पता नहीं मुंबई में क्या हालत होने वाली है. बहुत गर्मी थी. मे बी मैं एसी में बैठ के गई हूँ, इसलिए भी मुझे लग रहा होगा. और ड्राई सा गर्मी था, तो मैं ज़्यादा दूर तक नहीं गई. मैं पास में ही गई, वॉक किया, एक राउंड लगाया, फिर एक राउंड लगाया और वापस आ गई. वापस आते आते मेरे पैर पे लग भी गई. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द प्लान. कुछ नहीं, अब मैं 1 घंटा है और सोने वाली हूँ. बस यार रफा दफा यहाँ से दोहा बाय करने वाली हूँ. Okay, guys, finally my bus is here and I'm leaving to Mumbai. Okay, overexcited, but yes, I am excited. Now, just saying bye, bye to my room, bye, bye, bye. I had a great sleep here, bye, love you. Okay. So I'm finally on my final plane.
തടിച്ചു കൊഴുപ്പിച്ചിട്ടല്ലേടാ കിട്ടത്.